Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope that you be very well. Let's continue working with the reading activity number 2. Today is Tuesday, May 26, 2020, and we talk about Stop Along the Way. It was a comic, and remember that it is a real story, it is a historical story with some events that are imaginary, but that means that they can be true. Okay, so let's talk about the previous activity. What was your favorite part of the story? Let me know and comment me below this assignment in classroom. What was your favorite part of this story? My favorite part of the story was at the end, when all the family are together and they are thankful because they are alive and safe. Let's continue. First, copy the glossary here. I'm going to say the word aftershock and you're going to repeat aftershock. Okay? Number 1, aftershock. That is a small earthquake soon after a large earthquake. Es una réplica. Number 2, bulldozer. Repeat after me. Bulldozer. It's a type of tractor that can push or lift heavy things. Una excavadora. Number 3, collapse. That is a verb that means colapsar, to fall down or fall apart. Number 4, come back. Okay, come back to the school. That means to return. Regresar, volver. Number 5, Creole. That is a language spoken in Haiti. That means Creole in Spanish. Number 6, generator. That is a machine that produces electricity. Un generador produce electricidad. Number 7, grief. Grief, okay? That means afligirse or be worried about something, estar preocupado sobre algo. To experience sadness because of tragic circumstances such as the death of a person. Number 8, injured. That means in Spanish, lesionado. With damage to the body hurt. Number 9, missing. That means in Spanish, perdido. In an unknown location, okay? Or that means lost. Number 10, rubble. That means in Spanish, escombros, okay? Or you can use as well the word debris. Pieces of a collapsed building. Number 11, shelter. That is un refugio, or it can be abrigo, but according to the reading, is un refugio, okay? Protection from bad weather. And the last one, shudder, is to shake or tremble suddenly. Temblar. Okay, now for the activity number 1, you're going to number the scene in the correct order. Stop the video and then we check all together. So stop, copy in your notebook, copy first, okay? Write the numbers and then we check. Okay, we are checking right now all together. The first one is related with a birthday. What is? Number 1, you know? So the number 1 is Rose is excited because it is her birthday. Number 2, there is an earthquake. Number 3, Mama goes to help their neighbors para ayudar a sus vecinos. Number 4, Rose's mother hurt her arm. 5, Esther tells them she can't find her mother. 6, a plane arrives with food and medicine. 7, a medical arrives to help Rose's mother, and at the end, they attend a religious service, okay? Make correction in your answer if you were wrong, then we continue. Okay, remember, do first individual. So pause the video, copy, and then we're checking. Ready? We are checking right now. In Haiti, many people speak, what is the language? Creole. Okay. Number 2, after an earthquake, there are often, después de un terremoto, puede haber. What is the next word? Aftershocks, réplica. Number 3, they use, what is the machine? To remove, que usan para quitar. Bulldozers, excavadoras. The debris, What is another synonym for that word? Escombros. How do you say escombros in English? Do you know? Rubble from the street. Number 4, can create electricity. What machine can create electricity? What is the correct answer? The correct answer is generator, okay? Number 5, if you are, you may need to see a doctor. If you are what? If you are lesionado, how do you say lesionado in English? Injured. And the last one, obviously, is shelter. Provides protection from bad weather. Okay? Okay guys, so until here this video, thank you for watching. Check your answers and check your activities. Do this correctly. If you have to make some correction, okay, correct individual. Thank you for watching. Have a nice and rainy day. See you soon and wait for the homework. Bye bye.